I'm Ony Andriamarofara. I'm a wife and the mother of 2 boys. I actually a communicator. I work for 8 years now for the Malagasy Post of Madagascar. I am in charge of all communication and the public relation of this public institution. I am placed at Texas Tech University in Lubbock in Texas under the public management track. I have a great passion for rural development. I aim to give my part and to give my whole know on the development of the country. It's why I would like to be member of parliament, so that having an elective position in Madagascar. So after this fellowship, I really wanted to take position in an elective role in Madagascar.